How to stop people from seeing you view their profile on TikTok. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Rose, and if you want to view TikTok profiles without them knowing, here's how to turn off profile views. For that, open TikTok and then navigate to profile at bottom right corner of your screen. Select three-line icon in top right corner and go to setting and privacy option. Now look for the option of privacy. Then you need to scroll down and then tap on the option of profile views. And if it is turned on, here you can easily see who has viewed your profile in the past 30 days and allow other people to see that you have viewed theirs. So simply what you can do is toggle profile view history off, and then you can check profiles without them knowing. So that's all for today. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.